Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Today, I am currently at one of my listings doing an open house at 29030 San Bernard up in Spring area, zoned to Conroe ISD. It's a very sweet, very nice, very serene, quiet neighborhood of Creekside Village. It is just minutes from everything you expect up north. So we're talking maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes from Woodlands, 10-15 minutes away from George Bush Airport. Again, we're north of the airport, just to give you an idea. We are also very close to the adventure park that opened up in the Montgomery County area. And and actually just barely 5 minutes away from such a great shopping area and food, and I'll give you more ideas about it later. But let me take you inside and show you the house. That is a great opportunity for a starter home as well as an investment property. So I'm not sure what you're currently in the market for, but this is something that might be just the right fit for you. So I'll take you through this house. I'll go through the downstairs before I head upstairs. To my right is half bath, by the way. So a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. Just got painted this year, brand new paint. Carpet's barely 2 years old. Roof is from 2011. AC we have from 2022, I believe, as well. By the way, on the left side is the garage. Just to give you an idea, that's the front open view. Come in here, like I said, everything just got painted. Huge 6,000 square foot yard. In the back, you have no neighbors. So it's great, huge yard to do so much in. If you want a backyard, can't beat this for this price. Breakfast area, just got the countertops are also a couple years old. Cabinets got painted. You get washer, dryer, as well as a fridge. Sink is brand new. Just got done this year, barely a month or two ago, brand new. Appliances as well. Let me give you a little bit of input about the property. It's 1,670 square feet. Like I said, zoned to Conroe ISD schools. As you know, Conroe ISD is very close. It has very good schools. You have like 5 stars in terms of how close you are to every amenity. Within 2 miles, you have everything possible. There's some more information about the home if you would like to see it. Like I mentioned to you, this home fetches a very good rental price as well. If you are thinking about a good investment property for under $300,000. Here's the garage. Oops, sorry about that. Basic 2-car garage. We're gonna go upstairs. Here, all the bedrooms are upstairs. So just to give you an idea, as we go up, I'll show you the bedrooms. It's a bright home. As you can tell, it is, light from every direction. So here's a view from upstairs, open concept. Washer dryers are upstairs since you have all the bedrooms upstairs, so that's a great thing. Immediately to our left is going to be the main primary bedroom, huge by the way. And again, like I mentioned, just got painted. Great color, goes with every decor that you guys probably are thinking about. I think that's a pretty large closet for a 1,670 square foot home. And here is the attached bathroom. Again, everything here you see light, bright. Okay guys, ready for you. There you go. Shower plus a tub. For all the people, that's who's important for them. Come back out. On our left side is another bedroom, a very good size. All the measurements are in the MLS, guys, if you want to know. Good closet. Heading back out between these 2 bedrooms is another bathroom right there. Okay, And here's the other bedroom. Like I said, a great starter home for anybody interested in having a house that they want to at a reasonable price in a great area close to shops. Please look it up, Google it. Look at the location of this neighborhood. It's near amazing, huge master plan communities as well. I believe Woodson Reserve, Imperial. So it is around the same area. Creekside Village is smaller than that. It's not a master plan community, but it still provides all the basic amenities you guys need. And at the same time, at a price that everybody can afford. So at $295, it's listed at. And like I said, if you make an appointment, don't have any questions, give me a call. And please feel free to come by and take a look at this great opportunity, either to start living in it or to invest in it. Right? Let me know if you need any comps. I'll be here. Give me a call. Look forward to speaking with you. Bye.